Did you know these unexpected killers are far more dangerous than sharks and lions, and one of them might be lurking in your bedroom right now? First up, the mosquito. Yep, that tiny buzz demon. It kills over 700,000 people a year by spreading diseases. Small, annoying, and deadly. Like your ex, but with wings. Next, humans. That's right, we made the list. Wars, crime, pollution. We're basically the final boss of bad decisions. Dangerous? Oh yeah, just check the news. And of course, snakes. Some are chill, others turn you into a headline. The saw-scaled viper alone is responsible for thousands of deaths each year. Tip: if it hisses, don't kiss it.